Do you have troubles with your Camry GPS like I do?
How may I help you?
Get directions to Governor Nelson Park.
Showing nearby Panera Bread. Select the one you want.
Panera Bread. Get directions to Governor Nelson Park, Wisconsin.
What was that?
Governor Nelson Park.
I'm sorry. I still didn't get that.
Get directions to Governor Nelson Park.
Say the name of the city and state where you want to find Golden Corral.
Golden Corral. Well, here's a simple fix. First, you need some duct tape. Attach a little strip to your cell phone. Get directions to Governor Nelson Park. Plus, I can zoom in and zoom out. Oh, and wouldn't you know, I'm at Governor Nelson Park right now.